Hello, I have the most incredible try-on with Commence today. Think stepping into spring, outfits perfect for a vacation. Let's get into it. Okay, this first look might be one of my favorite pieces from this haul. It's a two-piece satin set in this gorgeous like army green color. Comes with this little removable brooch, but I thought it looked so perfect with it on. I had to add it. We're on the side, so it's nice and easy to get on. And then the pants are just so incredible, flowy. They feel so good on. Styled everything with this bag. I can't wait to carry this bag on vacation. What a stunner. I feel like it's gonna go with so many looks. I'm obsessed. Up next is this stunning polka dot matching set. You guys, I am in love with this. So gorgeous for like a spring date night. The skirt is nice and stretchy, high-waisted as well. And then the top kind of has like an asymmetrical cut, which I think is super cute. You could style this top easily with just like white pants, but I love it all paired together. A little neck scarf that I think is so fun. I love a neck scarf. Such an incredible look. I'm wearing a medium, fits true to size. I love a monochromatic look, especially in the spring with like all creams and whites. These trousers are incredible. They're so nice and thick. They'd be such a perfect pair to wear to work. I did them in a medium and they definitely fit a little bit oversized. I think I could have sized down to a small. Top is the star of the show. I love it. It's a bodysuit, satin on the top, hangs off the shoulder, which I feel like is so chic and elevated. This would be so perfect for like getting brunch with your girlfriends. I love it. Okay, I am obsessed with this top, you guys. It is 10 out of 10, so incredible. This beautiful green color, I'm loving this for spring. Has this really pretty asymmetrical waistline with the lace detail, which is also super on trend. The high neck, which I love. And then it has a little cinching right here, so you can kind of hike it up a little bit. I styled it with those same trousers as earlier, and this is, again, another great outfit to wear to brunch. I think you also could wear this to work, depending on where you work. I'm in love. So gorgeous. Okay, I think black and white looks are so fun. This would be another great outfit for a date night. Incredible. I love how they cut up at the waist. I did these in the small, and I think they fit great. Little scoop neck right here. And then it has these two like neckties that I just put around the back. Timeless and super chic. Love this look. Last look is actually, I think, my favorite. These jeans are from my last Commence haul. I can't stop wearing them, but this top is so stunning. I love this for a vacation or a date night. It is high cut in the front. I just kind of gave it a little bit of a front tuck. And then it is super long and flowy in the back. You honestly could style this with like a little white skirt, which I think would be incredible. With this bag, which I feel like is the perfect accessory, and that's the look. I'm obsessed. All right, that is a wrap on my try-on haul with Commence. Let me know in the comments which item was your favorite and if you want links to anything.